being it's Sunday. Sunday, fun day Sunday. The river has gone down considerably. It was right up to the road a couple days ago. All right, it's I think the 14th. It's supposed to be in the 70s, a little breezy, and thunderstorms are coming in. So we want to get at least a little wind therapy before the weather turns. We don't know where we're going, so stay tuned. Okay, we're recording comment. What's this town? No.
Not Hawthorne. Somerville?
There we go. Elzeville. Down in the little town of Somerville. I'm having trouble with my remote. Anybody need any bricks? They got a few of them. Okay. There's a little view. Pretty soon won't be able to see a thing because it'll be all green. Little breezy, but we're enjoying it. Right there? Yep. Exploring PA our way. This is nice. Have we been down this road? I think we have.
That road?
Yeah.
Probably.
You don't know. That's what we look for. We look for a road and, hey, let's try it. All good. Don't forget, subscribe so you don't miss anything. Give us a like, leave a comment. We enjoy it. And the riding season has just started, so there'll be plenty of videos to come. That way you don't miss any of them. And don't forget to check out some of our older ones. Check that out. You see him?
I'm trying to get a picture.
Let me stop. I can stop here. Look at that. What do you think? Let's turn around.
Yeah, they're leaving. Hi, babies.
Okay, we'll let them finish grazing. So what do you think of all the deer?
That's like the first we've seen in a long time.
Oh yeah. Well, we're almost in Cook's Forest, I think. Oh, we might see more. We don't know. Whee! Hey, we've been here. We got some pickles.
Yes, we did.
neat little store. You never know what we're gonna find or see. So, keep watching. A little park. I think it's in Cook's Forest. Look at the river. It's nice. All the parks have these grills for people to have a picnic. A picnicker.
A picnic.
What do you think? We make it over the bridge?
No.
Oh man. This is, I don't know if you can read it.
Forest Cathedral.
Cook State Park. And they have these beautiful bridges. And the water is so clear. Let me see the water. Let me tilt it down. Cool. Now this is exploring. We're on Ward's Ranch Road. We don't know.
Well, it's out of Cook's Forest, that's all we know.
It's also a public hunting area. Ah, nice. At least it's paved.
Yeah, that's a bonus.
Oh,
Spoke too soon, yeah.
I was just going to say that. I bet you it'll look nice in the summer when it's all green. Whee! Oh, about what, 3 weeks ago?
Yeah.
We had heavy rains and the road got washed out. The road was blocked. Had a little landslide and had to block the road for, I don't know, quite a few hours.
Yeah.
I guess the mud went right across the road with some trees. So this is right outside our town. And we're coming into our town. Yep. Thanks for coming along with us. I hope you enjoyed it. And I got, it's up to 80 degrees on the motorcycle. We'll see. I don't know if that's true or not. Okay. Stay tuned. Oh, sweet home. We remember this time. And all spinny things. Oh, I lost the wing. Okay, we're home. Thanks for coming along with us. And I hope you enjoyed it as much as we did. They're gonna beat it.
Yeah, it's pretty bad.